This California hotel is located in Livermore's wine country and is 10 minutes drive from Bankhead Theater. An outdoor pool is available and spacious rooms include flat-screen cable TVs. Oversized desks with ergonomic chairs are included in all rooms. The bathrooms boast granite countertops with bathroom amenities. Guests can also use the 24-hour business center. The Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory is 10 minutes drive away. Concannon Vineyard is 4 miles from the hotel. Couples in particular like the location. They rated it 8.7 for a 2-person trip.